Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. If you think I'm looking the same as in my previous video, yes, I do videos in day. If you haven't seen, I was checking out the SHEGLAM makeup and created this all makeup look using just that. It's very early in the morning as today I woke up at 5. I spoke this in my videos before. I usually wake up like around 6. Today I woke up at 5. I was exercising for an hour, having a shower, breakfast, so on, and then filming videos. So it's still quite early in the morning, so I thought I'm gonna do a quick review video for this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray 16-hour wear. That's a long name for a spray. I love the same concealer and the setting powder. Like, it's a great product, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna check out how good this setting spray is. As it's still early in the morning now, it's nearly 8:30. I have my phone in there. It's nearly 8:30, so I'm gonna be wearing this all day long. Try not to do any touch-ups, you know, blotting or anything, to see how mattifying and longwear spray it is. I don't think I'll be going out today because the day is really miserable and it's raining, so I'm not gonna be testing out the day outside look. But saying that, my skin is super oily, like super oily. If you follow my channel, you guys know I picked up this recently by way in the shop. I didn't know we had setting spray from this Conceal and Define line. Because so far my favorite setting spray, where is this? Is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. You've probably seen me using in a lot of my videos, but I thought I'm gonna try something new. This was actually more expensive than the NYX one, but it's bigger bottle and it's as well cruelty free and vegan, so I thought, you know what, why not? Oh, by the way, it says on the back of the packaging, Infinite Hold Longwear Fixing Spray will set your makeup in place for a flawless matte finish. Okay, let's try and do this. This spray still does this way. Ready? Cool. Okay, I don't think that looks glamorous ever. Then spraying face with setting spray, at least I can't do a glamorous face. I'm like, can you do, guys? Setting spray, it has a scent to it. I don't know if I like it. I'm funny with any scent in makeup cosmetics. If you've been following me, you guys will know, because I just have extremely sensitive nose. Like, I can tell and identify the ingredients from, you know, perfumes and so on, like from far away. I can tell what it is. I just have very sensitive nose, so this is a bit, for a smell wise, no, but then we're gonna see how it's gonna hold my makeup throughout the day. Like, my makeup looks pretty matte so far, because I literally just done this like half an hour ago or so, so it still looks, you know, pretty good. I'm gonna be wearing this all day. Not gonna do any touch-ups, so we're gonna see how it's gonna be. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's right. So this is how it looked just after the application, you guys. Makeup looks pretty matte. I just have a highlighter popping. This SHEGLAM highlighter, guys, oh my god, you gotta watch this video, I'm telling you. Okay, gonna wear this makeup look all day long with this setting spray on, and we're gonna see how oily or not I'm gonna get. I don't say 16 hours because I don't think I'm gonna be wearing 16 hours, because I woke up early and, you know, I'm gonna fall asleep probably. I don't know. I'll let you know how many hours I wear when I'm gonna come back to you, because now I have no idea, but I'm gonna be wearing this all day, so wish me luck. We'll see how good or not it is, if it's better than NYX or not, because NYX, you guys, I swear by this, for me it's the best, literally. So we'll see how good this is. Okay, I'll see you soon, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. If I look like a bit run down, it's because I'm very tired. It's been a long day. It's 10 o'clock in the evening now. I filmed this video in the morning around 8 o'clock, 8:30 or something, so I was wearing this makeup for I went to a park because it stopped raining, so I've been outside to test this spray even more. But you guys, I didn't do any touch-ups, nothing. I haven't touched my face. I haven't even like topped up my lipstick or anything. It's still the same. This is a Shein lipstick that I filmed because I filmed 2 videos, so the whole makeup I filmed using the Shein makeup. So I used this Shein lippy. So good, you guys. Like, I didn't touch up anything. I was eating, drinking, like, you know. My lips looks pretty good, I think. The Shein video, as I mentioned, is already up on my channel, so you guys can check it out. But then this setting spray by Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray. It's such a long name. 16-hour wear. I have this spray on now for how long, you guys? I mean, it's pretty good. I think it's actually better than this NYX mattifying spray because I'm like literally obsessed. I keep repurchasing this NYX mattifying spray constantly. But this is a good contender. Like, look at that. I mean, I got a bit oilier in here, but then my skin is super oily. Like, you guys, if I could sell this, I would be a millionaire. Literally, you know. So I got a bit oily here, but this is very good for, you know, having super oily skin, isn't it? So yeah, I am really impressed. This is a great product. I mean, I kind of expected that to be good because I have this Conceal and Fix as well primer, which is amazing. Repurchased this so many times. I have this Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer, so good. You probably see me using this in every single of my videos. And then I have this setting powder as well, which is really good, and it's flash proof. Like, you know, if you're taking any pictures using a flashlight, it doesn't reflect the light, so you don't look white as it goes, and it wears so nicely on the skin. Perfect for oily skin if you have it. And it has niacinamide, which is good for fighting, you know, when you break out or anything. Yeah, really good. So the spray, definitely approved. Thumbs up from me. Oh, by the way, if you think that my makeup looks a bit different, yes, because I was playing with some diamantes. I got like loads of little jewel kind of things that I wanted to play. I have like pearls and little like diamantes and all. Yeah, I have a lot, so I wanted to play with some. So I added a bit of, you know, like a little dots in here, like a little tears kind of shapes in here. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Leave a comment down below, let me know. And if you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more really important part. Like I'm mentioning this constantly because it's important. Yeah, good setting spray, definitely recommend. Worth your money. I mean, look at that. No touch-ups all day long, you guys. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and go to bed. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Good night.